Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's been a staple in diets around the world for centuries: milk. Whether you're a fan of whole, skim, almond, or oat milk, there's no denying the versatility and nutritional benefits that this creamy liquid brings to the table. In this video, we'll explore the health benefits of milk, some surprising uses you may not have considered, and why incorporating it into your daily routine can be a game changer for your health. First, let's talk about the health benefits. Milk is often referred to as a complete food, and for good reason. It's packed with essential nutrients that support our bodies in numerous ways. One of the most notable components of milk is calcium. Calcium is crucial for building and maintaining strong bones and teeth. Did you know that approximately 99% of the calcium in our bodies is stored in our bones and teeth? Consuming milk regularly can help prevent osteoporosis and maintain bone density as we age. But calcium isn't the only star in milk's nutrient lineup. Milk is also rich in protein, which is vital for muscle growth and repair. A single cup of milk contains about 8 grams of high-quality protein, making it an excellent post-workout recovery drink. It provides the essential amino acids our bodies need to rebuild and strengthen muscles after exercise. Let's not forget about vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. Many types of milk are fortified with vitamin D, which helps our bodies absorb calcium more effectively. This combination is particularly important for children who are in their growth phase and for older adults who are at a higher risk for bone-related issues. In addition to these key nutrients, milk contains several other vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12, riboflavin, and potassium. Vitamin B12 is essential for nerve function and the production of DNA and red blood cells. Riboflavin helps convert food into energy, while potassium is crucial for heart health and maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Now that we've covered the health benefits, let's move on to some surprising uses of milk that you may not have known about. Did you know that milk can be a fantastic beauty aid? Many people have been using milk in their skincare routines for centuries. The lactic acid found in milk is a natural exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and promote a smoother complexion. You can create a simple milk face mask by mixing milk with honey and applying it to your face for about 15 minutes. Rinse it off and you'll notice softer, more radiant skin. Milk can also work wonders for your hair. Its protein content helps strengthen and nourish hair strands, making it a great natural conditioner. You can create a hair mask by mixing milk with a few drops of olive oil. Apply it to your hair, leave it on for about 30 minutes, and then wash it out for shiny, healthy locks. But the uses of milk don't stop there. In the kitchen, milk is a versatile ingredient that can elevate your cooking and baking. From creamy sauces to fluffy pancakes, milk adds richness and moisture to a wide variety of dishes. One surprising use for milk is in your coffee. Instead of just adding a splash for creaminess, consider making a milk froth to top your coffee. This not only enhances the flavor, but also gives your morning cup a cafe-style upgrade. Milk is also a secret ingredient in many savory dishes. For instance, when making mashed potatoes, adding milk creates a creamy texture that takes them to the next level. Similarly, when cooking oatmeal, using milk instead of water can result in a richer, creamier breakfast that will keep you full longer. And let's not forget about the classic comfort food, mac and cheese. The addition of milk to your cheese sauce creates a velvety texture that makes every bite irresistible. Now, if you're lactose intolerant or prefer plant-based options, don't worry. There are plenty of alternatives available. Almond milk, soy milk, and oat milk are just a few options that can provide similar health benefits and culinary versatility. Many of these plant-based milks are fortified with calcium and vitamin D, making them great substitutes for traditional cow's milk. As we wrap up our discussion on the power of milk, it's essential to remember that moderation is key. While milk offers numerous health benefits, it's important to consider your individual dietary needs and preferences. If you're unsure about how much milk is right for you, consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance. Incorporating milk into your diet can be as simple as enjoying a glass with your meals, adding it to your smoothies, or using it in your favorite recipes. The health benefits are clear, and the versatility in the kitchen is unmatched. So, whether you're a lifelong milk lover or someone who's just beginning to explore its benefits, we hope this video has inspired you to unlock the power of milk in your daily life. From promoting strong bones to enhancing your beauty routine and elevating your culinary creations, milk truly is a powerhouse ingredient. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Share your favorite milk recipes or beauty tips in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the incredible world of food.